Day 2 of the Apotheke Advent Calendar. There are a lot of little compartments on the top of this. I'm guessing they are the petite candles. Oh, and yeah, exactly what I thought. This is one of their petite candles in the Santal Rock Rose scent. I love a good Santal. Man, and if you spent any time on the channel, then you know rose is one of my all-time absolute favorite notes for its rich sophistication. This is a simple scent, but it's very good. Santal and rose. That's it. It's a woody essence, but with that beautiful rose note that doesn't come off smelling elderly that you sometimes get with rose notes. I'm really loving this from the cold throw. So far, well, compared to the counter from yesterday, this is my type of scent. Okay, Apotheke, now, I'm not a fan of petite candles because of performance, of course, but they're like taste testers to see if you will want the bigger size later on. And I am most definitely picking up the standard size in this scent. Incredible.